Okay, so this is my showcase build for the Spitfire. Now I haven't, I've done a bit of modifications, well not modifications, but a bit of fixing on it. I had a problem with the guns always being on when the lights were on. I think that was because the undercarriage, the landing light, was basically light bleeding into the guns. So as soon as the lights came on, which included obviously the landing light, it bled into the gun lights, fibre optics, and that made the guns come on. So that didn't look brilliant. So I was sort of sorted that out, and I haven't had it switched on since. So I've done a few test runs and it's always worked, but this will be kind of another test run. It's also with the flaps down and it's kind of coming into land, which I kind of like that look, because I don't think I'm doing the diorama, so I'm not going to be doing the people. I'm going to be kind of calling it a day here. This is kind of obviously after issue 100. So yeah, wait and see what happens. Whether it works or not, it has worked. I've done about, I don't know, 10, 15 test runs and it's kind of worked every single time. But now obviously it's on camera, it's probably not going to. But, so this will be it. This is going to be switching on now. The gun runs through its kind of self-checks. Okay, so that's the remote control on. I'm going to run it basically through just a full flight and see how it goes. So hopefully it'll look, everything will work. Let's wait and see. So that was kind of everything. That was a full flight one there. I've got a slight oh, there we go. It's just a bit sticky, that aileron. Sorry, elevator. Oh, not elevator. Aileron was the right word. So it kind of all works, yeah. I've had to have the landing lights down, as you can see, because otherwise, I mean, I'll put them up and you can see the difference. Hopefully that'll work again. If you put the landing lights up, and as soon as obviously they come on, the it light bleeds into the guns. So I might have one more run through. Let's have a look at some of the other options then. So start up on the remote control. So that's obviously start up. Occasionally things work. The rudder's gone. I don't know why the rudder's gone that way, but it has. Take off. Obviously take her off. And obviously if I put the lights on, you get a little bit of light bleed into the gun ones. If the landing lights are on. They're not brilliant. So okay, that's the Spitfire showcase, if you like. Just putting everything back to how it would. The ailerons, ailerons don't work brilliantly, but they're not too bad. Yeah. Okay, go down. So yeah, everything seems to work, which is good. The only thing that's a bit disappointing, as I say, is those gun lights. But yeah, it all kind of works. So that was the showcase for the Spitfire. Okay, so that was the showcase video for the Spitfire there. Yeah, happy with that because everything kind of worked. All the electrics, the dynamic bass, everything kind of worked. The undercarriage goes up and down. It's a good few times I've tested that out as well. There's a little bit of problems with the model, you know, the panel gaps that everybody kind of knows about. They are quite large. I think that's mainly due to kind of the heavy nose section. The motor in there and it's not quite braced enough. So I could, if I really wanted to, take that apart, brace that up. But I don't know if I'm going to be taking that apart again. It is pretty good the way it is, and I don't want to mess around with it too much. The wingtips as well, they don't stay very well together, but they're the minor parts with it, if you like. It looks good. It's a good sized model, and as I say, all the dynamic stuff kind of works, which I'm happy with. A lot of help came from the Facebook groups, to be fair. A lot of kind of tips on where to put super glue, stuff like that on the lifters and all this kind of stuff. I think I've done, I've put most of those in the build videos. But hey, thank you very much for watching this build all the way through. It's been good. I've enjoyed it. It looks impressive as it is. So yeah, very kind of happy with that build. I have got a few of the builds still going on though. Yeah, we've still got to kind of think if we're going to complete the Ecto. Obviously, because Eagle Moss went into administration, so I'm still waiting on that. I have got some parts ordered from Mike Lane Mods, so hopefully I'll be getting that back uploaded once I know that it's going to be completed, because what I really didn't want was an incomplete model build on my channel. So if I get to a point where I know it's going to be completed, then I'll re-upload those videos and I'll show the completed car once that's done. I've obviously got the Fast and Furious car going on at the moment as well, the Dodge Charger. And I am thinking about, although I'm not 100% committed on the Valentino Rossi MotoGP bike. So a few builds kind of going on the channel if you'd like to follow those. But hey, for now, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon, and goodbye.